Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel. I'm a PA here at MyFitMed. Here I cover a wide range of topics that may help improve your overall health and performance. The goal is to help you get in the best shape of your life and be the best version of yourself. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about L-Citrulline and its effect on erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction or ED is a very common condition. In fact, it is reported that more than 50% of the men ages from 40 to 70 suffer from some form of erectile dysfunction. It can be poor erection, low libido, or lack of desire. The most common cause of erectile dysfunction is poor blood flow. It can be due to vascular diseases like hypertension, diabetes, or cardiovascular health, or in general poor health. The lack of blood flow causes poor erection, and I have discussed more in detail about the mechanism of ED in my L-Arginine video. The most important chemical in our body that helps improve blood flow is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide causes vasodilation, and by vasodilation it increases the blood flow to penis, thus giving you stronger, longer lasting erection. How does L-Citrulline improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction? So L-Citrulline is an amino acid naturally produced in our body, and it also found in certain food like watermelon. L-Citrulline indirectly increases the nitric oxide production in our body, which nitric oxide in turn improves the blood flow to penis, giving you a stronger erection. L-Arginine has a similar effect in our body, and I have talked about the importance of L-Arginine for ED. So watch my L-Arginine video. So L-Citrulline gets converted to L-Arginine in our kidney and produces more nitric oxide in our kidneys. Unlike L-Arginine, L-Citrulline bypasses the GI enzymes and liver enzyme, thus more bioavailability for the kidney and more nitric oxide production in the kidneys. So L-Citrulline has a similar effect like L-Arginine, but is absorbed better from the GI and produces more nitric oxide in the kidneys. So L-Citrulline, an amino acid, is good for men suffering from mild symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Now if you're suffering from moderate to severe symptom of erectile dysfunction, there are excellent medication that I have talked about in the past called Cialis, Viagra, which is considered safe and effective for treating moderate to severe erectile dysfunction. But even when you are on this ED medication, when you take L-Citrulline, it gives you the synergetic improvement in the symptoms of erectile dysfunction and thus giving you stronger, longer lasting erection. So if you are suffering from erectile dysfunction, try to incorporate L-Citrulline in your daily supplement diet. 5 benefits of L-Citrulline. L-Citrulline may improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. It may improve cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, and improves blood flow, boosts immunity, and enhances the brain function and cognition. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about how to optimize your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any medication or treatment. Comment below and let us know what other topics you want us to cover. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational video. Thank you guys for watching.